Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unhide any sheet in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see there are different sheet I created. So if I want to unhide sheet which I hide before, so just click any sheet and then click the right side of mouse, and here you can see unhide option. So just click on it, and here you can see the number of sheet which I hide. So for example, I want to unhide this sheet, so just click this sheet. So after that click on OK. So you can see this sheet is unhide. So if I want to unhide other sheet, so just again click on it and then select the sheet and then click on OK. So you can see this sheet is also unhide. So guys, in this way you can unhide any sheet in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.